Good morning from day 2 of our 5-night cruise on board MSC Virtuosa. It's about 8:30 in the morning and I'm pretty tired. We had a late night finishing after midnight, but we're about to dock in Rotterdam. I've never seen an entry to a cruise port like this before. So here at the forward elevators, let me show you a trick if you're in the yacht club. It's for a priority call. So I'm on deck 15, let's say I want to go straight to deck 6. What I'll do is I'll tap my wristband on the pad and it says priority call. I'll choose deck 6 and it says go to elevator F. Excuse me. Then in elevator F, I tap that again and I choose 6 again. And now the elevator is going to go straight to 6 and it's going to skip every other floor. And here we are on deck 6, the Galleria Virtuosa. And it's pretty empty at this time of day. First part on the right hand side is the Virtuosa boutique. In here we can buy sunglasses from Swarovski, Tom Ford, Dior, Boss, as well as a selection of handbags. I wonder if Joyce would like some of these. Opposite the boutique, we have the Virtuosa bar. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. We have a little stage here for the live band. Next to the bar, we have the chocolate shop with these, look at these amazing creations made out of chocolate. They're incredible. The talent needed to make these, it's stunning. All of this is made out of chocolate. I find it hard to believe, but it's true. Just as incredible as the artwork made of chocolate is the prices of the chocolate on store. These are pretty steep, I'll have to tell you. These chocolates do look amazing, but the prices, wow, you're looking at £2 for one piece of chocolate. Opposite the chocolate store and next to the Virtuosa boutique, we have Hola Tacos Cantina. Joyce and I will be coming here a little bit later for lunch. We're really looking forward to it. They have an all-you-can-eat offer for about $17.99 each. Sounds like great value. We're back in the Yacht Club restaurant for breakfast today. And what have you decided to have, Joyce?
So I'm going to have, I think, poached eggs on toast. And I think I might get a hash brown. Yeah, could I have one of those, please? Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to have poached egg on toast, and I think I'm going to ask for hash browns and baked beans inside.
I'm going to have the express breakfast with
and
sunny
I
side
have a
up egg.
yogurt too, actually.
Yeah. I think I'll go for strawberry yogurt, sunny side up egg, American bacon, sausage, and black pudding. As we're sitting here having our breakfast, we're pulling in towards Rotterdam. And the view out the front of the ship is pretty amazing. We've ordered yogurt to start with, strawberry yogurt, and this is what it looks like. Never seen this brand before. Oh, is it smooth or has it got bits in it?
Yeah, it's nice, not. Oh, that's lovely.
Let me try it. Yep, it's smooth, no bits. Yep, it's fine.
I like it.
Joyce and I have had a bit of our latte and it's gone cold and it's not great. It's not as good as the one we had yesterday. Not everything is perfect. They do make great lattes. We had one yesterday, it was amazing. Today's one is disappointing. Our breakfast has arrived. I've got the hash brown, beans, fried egg, sausage, American bacon and some black pudding. Well, we'll see if it's a good one. You know I'm very fussy about my black pudding.
Yeah.
And Joyce, you've got beans, hash brown and poached eggs on toast.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Right, let me see how these eggs are. Exactly how poached eggs should be. Yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Welcome to Rotterdam. Yay! Here on our balcony looking out at the town. I was going to get off, but I can't be asked now. It's too far.
Well, look at the water taxis zooming through the bar.
Water taxi! Where are you going to? There's a long way for you to go here in Scotland. He's off for the delivery of Tuddock's tea cakes. Joyce and I are at Hola Tacos and Cantina for the all-you-can-eat Mexican special. Now we decided to do that because, well, why not, eh?
Yeah, exactly. Why not?
We may not even eat that much, but if we choose that in advance, we won't go over the limit.
Yeah, exactly.
Now they also do these special drinks, frozen margaritas. Let me see, $9.99 each for a pineapple Rita, the frozen pineapple margarita. And it's included if you're in the Yacht Club with the premium extra package, I think.
Yeah. Some vlogs were saying it isn't. Some were saying it is. But for us, we're here now and it says it's included up to $14. So that's all good.
Our waiter was very nice and said that it's included for us. So we're going to have one to start with.
Yeah.
And if we like it, I'll order another. And maybe
And I'll
even
order
try
another.
different.
And
Yeah.
another.
Yes.
And another. Sorry.
So it's lunchtime and it's pretty empty here.
It's only us.
It's only us in here. I love the decoration. Very
I love it
Mexican.
too, yeah. That's nice, eh?
Love the big Mexican sombrero. Didn't we get one of those in Cancun a couple of years ago?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
We gave it to Cameron.
Okay.
Just had some lovely nacho chips delivered with avocado and 2 different spicy sauces. Let me try some of the spicy dip.
Okay. Tell me how spicy it is before I even try it.
It's spicy.
Really spicy.
Ooh. You know, you're going to struggle with that one.
This one's more up my street.
Ooh, that burns. These nachos are freshly fried.
Yeah.
A little thicker than Doritos nachos.
Yeah.
Let me try it with the medium salsa. The one I had, the taqueria, I think it was called. Oh, that was really, that had a real kick to it. Let me try that.
You might try the habanero as well.
I like that. That's not too hot. But I'll tell you what, this taqueria is so spicy, I could not handle the habanero. Here at Hola Tacos, they've got these lovely cutlery things. Look like chopsticks, but no.
Look like paintbrushes. That's what I thought it was.
Lovely knife.
But they're nice wee things. I like them.
And a spoon. I love the little Mexican touches here, like the coasters with the little skulls on them. Look, these are the amazing guys at Hola Tacos and Cantina that are making our food, and it's been amazing so far. It looks like the tortilla soup is ready. Oh wow, I better get back to my table. Thank you very much. That looks amazing.
Oh, it does, eh? Thank you.
Look, this is the tortilla soup with chicken. Go on, Joyce, have a taste.
Oh, that's absolutely delicious.
Oh yeah.
That is beautiful. Absolutely delicious, baby.
Oh my God.
That's beautifully.
That's really tasty. Highly recommend the tortilla soup. Highly recommend it.
This is your queso fundido now. Queso fundido is basically melted cheese with some chorizo. Okay, it's Spanish chorizo. There's a little bit of pico de gallo and jalapeno on top of it.
Thank
Bon
you.
appetit.
This queso fundido, the Oaxacan cheese with chorizo, peppers, tomatoes, onions. This is real comfort food. It's delicious.
Yep.
You can do it.
Yep, nearly. That's so nice. Give a bite in a bowl.
But for us, I think one to share between two is right. One each would just be greedy. We probably couldn't finish it. I can't state this enough. This is the best meal we've had so far
Yep.
on the ship. And I'd come back again for this. Joyce, our tacos have arrived.
Yay!
What have you got first?
So I have the chipotle carnitas without the black bean salsa because I don't like black bean salsa.
And I've got barbacoa and
Al
the
pastor.
al pastor. I think the al pastor one is on the left.
Yes.
The barbacoa is on the right. And we have fish tacos coming later.
Yes.
They're being made now. It's catch of the day.
Yeah.
To be cooked today.
Oh, this is going to get messy in about 2 seconds.
Did you want to put some lime on yours?
That's gorgeous, no. I'm pretty lime with it.
Squeeze a bit of lime on mine.
I don't need lime in mine.
Soft tortillas. Here we go. I'm going to do this in 2 bites.
Thank you so much.
Strawberry ice cream with Nutella.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's a meal.
Can I take it out of here? Oh my god, how much I need to eat it in there.
Ice cream tacos. That's what you got.
Ken.
Strawberry ice cream with Nutella.
This is delicious, by the way.
I've been generous with the Nutella on it as well.
I'll say.
This is a nice way to end a meal.
Absolutely it is.
The ice cream takes away the heat of any of the spices as well. So, we have enjoyed our lunch at Hola Tacos and Cantinas, and we've decided we're coming back in a couple of days. Probably the last day of our cruise on Friday. Back in the Top Sail Lounge, Joyce has got herself a mimosa blossom.
Oh, it's strong.
A strong mimosa blossom. And I've gone for a latte. Even in the Top Sail Lounge, we have our own Swarovski Staircase. All of these Tchaikovsky crystals. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. And Joyce is going to sit on the balcony and watch the world go by while I go to the thermal spa because I just want to try it. Show us your taco belly. Oh, okay, that's enough.
It's like Taco Bell, honestly.
Enjoy watching this stuff.
Yeah, I know.